Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast video. And my name is Eric. Today is the 24th of June around 3 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go guys with another video. In today's video we're going to explain to you guys two main concepts. The first one, we're going to let you guys know how we were able to anticipate this move higher in the indices. The second idea that we're going to present is a target within SPY and why we reached the conclusion that 374 should be taking place sometimes next year. In Elliott Wave Forecast, we always follow a concept. We look at the market as a whole and we relate all the instruments, because not always the instrument that you trade is a clear trade. Sometimes other instrument we provide you the bios into the instrument that you trade, and that's what we're going to explain in this video. Here is a chart of the Dow Jones future in the daily bar. What makes significant in this instrument compared to the rest of the world indices is that especially the SPY, the ES, and the future of and the cash of the Dow Jones is that this index never took the highs of 2018 after the dip here. Also, it react here in an impulse model. For us, the moment that we saw that this cycle ended, and we knew that it was only one path in the indices, and that the path was to the upside. This was the age that we knew in May that the dip in the indices is going to fail after 3 weeks or 7 weeks. To be fair, at one moment we were calling this to be an X wave and another dip until the pivots give out and we call the extension higher. But doesn't matter. We knew that selling was not a right proposition. This is the concept, the Dow Jones, and I'm gonna overlay here the SPY. You don't need to be a science or anything to understand that it's exactly the same patterns. If I go and do contracted a little bit here, and you're gonna see how it's the same patterns. It's no question about it. Same highs, same lows, but this one not breaking this one. When this one did, that discrepancy make us to believe that the path in the SPY was higher, and therefore that's how we did anticipate this rally. So relating the Dow Jones future not breaking 2018 highs with the SPY S&P is how we cash this rally to the upside. Now the SPY over here is looking with our preferred target within the cycle, within the super cycles in 2009 is 375. In Elliott Wave, you can get the target of a wave 5 in. You can find the target in 3 ways. Inverse, wave 4 extension 1.236, 1.618 over here. This is one target. Second target is that wave 1 over here. You mentioned wave 1 equals wave 5. That is invalidated because the equal legs over here is below the peak of wave 3, so that one is not in place. And the other one is the one that we like over here, in which you measure the distance of wave 3, you put it on the bottom of wave 4, and the 618 extension right there is the one that is the target. Now, at this stage, we have to believe that the SPY is gonna do the super extension to the 375, and that if you look what is happening here at this stage, here is exactly what is took place over here. It is a nest. A nest is a series of imports that is gonna trade like this before the market open the extension. I believe that that's what is taking place in the short cycles of the SPY after reacting into the blue box at 274 from this high already made new highs. So I believe that we are within the wave 1, and that we're gonna trade higher. We're gonna make a deepest pullback, sometimes in July over here, and we're gonna get extension. Now, when we measuring here the wave 1, and we put it on the bottom of wave 2 over here, the next target to the outside is 336, 376. And that is without doing a 4 and a 5. So for us, the path of least resistance in the SPY is to the outside. We don't recommend the selling. This is just a three-way move right here, but this is important. So consequently, we would like to buy the index against this low, and eventually, only if it makes a flat and it trades here again, we would like to buy it here. But the Elliott Wave structure of the indices, together with the inability of the Dow Jones here to break these highs, it put the bulls in control. Bulls are in full control of the market when it comes to the American indices. So this is our view. This is the two concepts. The concept in which the discrepancy on the highs here between the Dow Jones Future and the SPY make us to anticipate the move. And now we do some sort of critical thinking and identifying the target, and the reason is because what it makes sense from this extension is 375. The 5 equals 1 doesn't work, and also the inverse doesn't feel the 5 wave from the low. So bulls are in control. 375 should be taking place by the third quarter of next year, and let's ride the wave to the outside. And if you like this video, without a doubt, you can subscribe to our free trial. Learn the right way, learn to anticipate, learn to get the edge of the market. That's what we do here. That's how we catch this swing higher in the indices. Nobody's perfect. Honestly, nobody is. I don't pretend to be perfect. We do not pretend to be perfect. But at least when the S&P or the SPY was dropping here, we knew that the dip was an opportunity for the loans, and we knew that it wasn't a sell. We knew, yes, that at some moment can do this. That's more difficult to be perfect, but it bounced from our blue box, and our charts are working very nicely due to the concept of one market only, and the idea of the blue boxes, which they works perfectly. I mean, not to the 100%, but they works in a way that at least you're able to gather a higher probability areas to turn. 85% is pretty good in this business, and that's what the box react from here. From there, only the outside unless these people breaks. And that's the video for today. I hope to see some of you guys around Elliott Wave. For guys, it's free for 14 days. Just click over here and join us. You ain't gonna get disappointed. You're gonna learn the market nature and the right way of trading. Thank you guys all.